So your urinal keeps flushing, it won't shut off. First thing you do is shut off the water supply. This is your valve. Use a regular screwdriver, righty-tighty, relieve some pressure by activating that. Get yourself a channel lock and unscrew the cap. Take that off, put it down. You got this cap here, it's probably holding down by suction. Get a little screwdriver underneath here, pop it off, release that cap. Then here's your diaphragm. And same thing, it's gonna become some kind of, a little bit of suction on it, so you're gonna have to pry it up a little bit. One hand is a little hard, but once you get underneath it, there you go. It's one whole assembly. There you go. Now, in this, you see the top piece? It's this piece right here. Make sure you got the right one. On the Sloan application, the black one is for the urinal. The white one is for the toilets. Toilets use more water. If you have the wrong one, if you have the white one in here, it's gonna flush more water, and that might be your cause of your problem. Now, replacing this piece in reverse, if it still keeps flushing, then you have to check this piece in here. That's your vacuum breaker. Sometimes they fail and it just allows the water to just keep running, it won't seal. But try this one first. If it doesn't work, try that one. All right, I hope this helps. It's pretty easy to put together. Do not use any Teflon, no dope. There's no need for that. If it doesn't seal correctly, then you did something wrong. But no need to add anything other than what's supplied. Thanks for watching.